Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. I just want to give you real quick a update before New York will open. We're looking here at the BTC USD pair on the 1 hour, and as you can see we are coming very close to the apex of this wedge, and there's a few targets that I just want to quickly go over for you so that you are prepared for the breakout. I actually expect that's going to happen at or just after New York open in approximately half an hour from now. If we will break to the downside and we put the measured move here, then we're coming exactly here at support line 18,700. If we will put this above us, then we will come at approximately 21,000, and then we also reaching this area with the value area low and the spikes here, which will definitely give us some resistance. But what I'm actually also looking out for is that maybe we are getting tricked and that the price is just going higher, making maybe a swing fill pattern here, or the best one would be here, trick everyone in a long and then reverse to the downside, and then we are still getting that bearish price target. The other way around could also happen, is that the price first goes down on New York open. We're grabbing liquidity going lower than this one, or the best one of course also here, this lowest low, grabbing liquidity here and then going higher and then full everyone. Now let's say that the target is being reached at the bottom. We already talked about it. Not only do we have the support line here, but we also have that big support and resistance box. But I have to say that is kind of a little bit of a quote-unquote bigger move, because if we would put this somewhere here on the top, let me see, then from the breakout to the top is approximately 5%. Of course a very nice move, but we have not seen a lot of volatility in the last few days. Now with that being said, Bitcoin has an average volatility of approximately 3.5 to 4%. We haven't really had that in the last few days. So to respect that average, the price probably gonna make a very big move, so that over an average again the price then has that volatility. And if we are dipping below that volatility for quite a few days, then at a certain point you're going to see a major move. I would also not be surprised if this S&P story is out of the window, but if we just right away marching higher. Why? Because there's not a lot of resistance. This was a swift move up. Yes, we still have a little bit of resistance at around approximately 20,600, but there is not a lot of resistance. On the other hand, a swift move down I could also definitely see it happen, because we still have so much liquidity to grab here, and here. To be honest, to the downside it's going to be tricky to find the bottom, because we can grab the liquidity underneath this wicks right here. We can grab it in this support box, which is from 19,100 all the way to 18,600, quite the move, or even lower, the 17,600 here. So especially here on the bottom there's quite some room where the price can bounce off from. So really be careful and just wait now for the breakout. Don't try to already jump into a move, because that will definitely get you wrecked. One thing I've now kind of been looking at for is the 5 minute. We can see that the money flow is coming down already. We're a long time in the green. It looks like we are coming down, and winter is slowly coming down. So if there's one indicator that says maybe this will roll over, then it would be the 5 minute. Other than that, a lot of stuff is very indecisive, so definitely be careful for the breakout. And like I said, you could definitely have a fake move like this or a fake move like this, so definitely be careful. One quick thing I want to show you is that here the dollar index, it looks like we are forming ourselves a rising wedge. I have not showed you this yesterday, but I posted it on Twitter, and eventually usually this has a bearish breakout. So if we go lower, then my target would be here at the bottom, approximately 108 for the dollar index. If this happens and we are nuking south, then the road is open for BTC to go much higher, and then I think 21k is definitely in the cards, and eventually maybe 21k 500, the macro point of control. That will be it for now. Be very careful on your trades, knowing that we are coming very close to the apex, already pretty deep into the triangle. That usually means that the move to the breakout is then very ferocious and very fast. And what I also definitely want to see, of course, is then that the volume picks up here at the bottom. Super important. Alright guys, I will probably be back with a second video after we had the breakout. You now again know what I'm looking out for. Everything is sharp. Keep your eyes on the price, and I'll see you guys very soon on the other side. Thank you so much. Later.